Stop scrolling. What if I told you that one simple oil sitting in your home can give you longer hair, glowing skin, thicker eyelashes, and even reduce wrinkles naturally? Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's 100% real. And today I'm revealing the secret of castor oil. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you love natural remedies, skincare secrets, and beauty tips that actually work, then make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support really motivates me to bring more powerful remedies for you. Now let's get into today's video, the amazing benefits of castor oil. Benefits of castor oil 1. Hair growth. Booster castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, which improves blood circulation to your scalp. This helps boost hair growth, reduce hair fall, make hair thicker and stronger. It also deeply nourishes hair roots, making your hair look healthier and shinier. 2. Thick eyelashes and eyebrows. If you want naturally thicker lashes and brows, castor oil is your best friend. It strengthens hair follicles and promotes growth, giving you a fuller look without any chemicals. 3. Deep moisturizer for skin. Castor oil is a natural humectant, which means it locks moisture into your skin. It helps dry skin, rough patches, cracked heels. Your skin becomes soft, smooth, and deeply hydrated. 4. Anti-aging properties. Castor oil penetrates deep into the skin and boosts collagen production. This helps to reduce wrinkles, fine lines, sagging skin. Regular use can give your skin a natural youthful glow. 5. Acne control. Due to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, castor oil helps fight acne-causing bacteria, reduce redness and swelling, calm irritated skin. 6. Natural lip care. Dry, dark lips. Castor oil can help lighten and moisturize your lips, making them soft and pink naturally. 7. Joint pain relief. It has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce joint pain and muscle soreness when used for massage. How to use castor oil for hair growth. Take 1 tablespoon castor oil, mix with coconut oil or olive oil. Optional for easy application. Massage into scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. Leave overnight, or at least 1 hour. Wash with mild shampoo. Use 2 to 3 times a week for eyelashes and eyebrows. Take a clean mascara brush or cotton bud. Apply a small amount before sleep. Wash in the morning. Use daily for best results. For skin, take a few drops. Gently massage on clean face. Leave overnight or wash after 30 minutes. For lips, apply a drop before sleeping. Leave overnight for soft pink lips. For joint pain, warm a little castor oil. Massage on affected area. Cover with cloth for better absorption. So this was the magic of castor oil, a simple natural remedy with so many powerful benefits. Try it regularly and you'll definitely see amazing results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video with another powerful natural remedy. Till then, take care and stay beautiful.